Go.
Hi, I'm Andrew. I'm here to tell you how to do the dirty one.
Alright, let's see it. Great dismount. That's Andrew right there. That's Donovan McNabb Jr. Woo! A little bit of squat thrust. Whoop, and he's off. Alright, let's see number 2.
I'm here to tell you the dance move, fuck the bitch.
Oh, damn, he's screwing that bitch. He knows what's going on. Woo! I like that shit right there, baby. Oh, my God. Who's this guy?
Hi, I'm Mitchell. I'm doing the jack off.
Oh, you got it in my eye. You got it in my eye.